change language on your Xiaomi phone. Hello everyone, I am here to guide you how you can change your language on your Xiaomi phone. So if you want to change your language on your Xiaomi phone, you have to follow this step. First of all, you have to navigate to your device setting. Once you are on your device setting, you have to scroll down to the additional setting here. Once you are on your additional setting, you have to tap on the language and input. Once you are on your language and input, you have to select the languages. Once you are on your languages, you can choose the languages here from the list. You can select the language you want to use here. So you have to basically select the language from here and go for the confirm option. Once you have selected your languages from this list, you may need to confirm it as your default language, so the system will change the language setting. In some cases, you might need to restart your device for all the changes. So your Xiaomi phone will now display in your selected language. So if you have any question, feel free to ask below the comment. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.